In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a viewport title on a sheet in Revit. Let's start by selecting the viewport you want to update. On your sheet, click the viewport boundary, the rectangular frame around the view. When it's selected, you'll see the title line and the title text highlight, which is your confirmation that you're working with the correct element and not the view contents. If the boundary is hard to catch, hover until the boundary is outlined and then click. With the viewport selected, you can control exactly what the title says. In the Properties palette, look for the parameter called Title on Sheet. This field controls the text that appears as the viewport title below the view. Simply change the text here, and you'll see the update reflected on the sheet. This is especially useful for keeping sheet naming consistent and clear, and the change affects only the selected viewport, not other views. If the look of the title itself isn't quite right, maybe the line weight, text size, or the placement of the sheet number, you'll want to adjust the title family. This is what defines the style of the title label. To do that, open the project browser, expand families, then annotation, and locate view title. Right-click the title family you're using and choose edit. This opens the family in the family editor where you can modify graphics, text, and line styles to match your standards. Take your time to adjust text types, alignments, and the title line graphics so they're legible at print scale. When you're satisfied, reload the family back into the project. Once it's reloaded, your sheet will update to reflect those style changes anywhere that title family is used. Finally, you have full control over whether the title shows at all. With the viewport selected, look again in the Properties palette for the option Show Title and toggle it to Yes or No. Turning it off hides the title entirely, which is handy for views that don't need a label or for clean, minimal layouts. Turning it back on restores the title immediately. A couple of quick tips as you work. Use clear, project-approved naming in Title on Sheet to keep coordination tight, and remember that changing the title on sheet affects only the current viewport, while editing the title family affects the appearance for every viewport that uses that family. With these tools, you can keep your sheets clean, readable, and consistent.